guys, Dark Rally from Dark Gaming. White Noise Online, and there's 4 of us. Pancho, Villa, 1016, 1096, and then there's PTDS 0, and then there's Yellow Girly. Aye. You know, I think we should turn the difficulty to Nightmare for the lols. No, turn it. Oh, you should have put it on Nightmare. Spooderman. Hey, Hannah, do you know the person that I am now?
Which one are you?
You know the woman that I am with the headphones?
Well, I didn't even know what you freaking are.
Wow. But Hannah, which one are you? Are you the emo girl?
Yeah, but it's you there. Oh, it's you.
Alright, you know the person that I am? In front of you?
Are you the girl?
Yes. Her name's Hannah.
Are you this one? Yeah.
Yes, her name's Hannah.
Oh, bitch, you stole my name. That's my name.
Nigga stole my name. What the fuck was that? What the hell's going on? No, why is he leaving? Oh wait, they're engaged yet.
Everybody, go to the game chat.
I can't go to game chat. It won't let me go to game chat. No, you two were in game chat. We could hear you from game chat. Like, it was really weird. All I could hear was Hannah like. My leg's gone dead. Why is everyone lagging out? It's kind of annoying. I think we should all alright, everyone that's playing the game, just go into game chat. Hello?
Hello?
Yeah, you were in game chat and we could hear you. Hannah, you were just like, oh, my leg! Everyone could hear you. Don't know, I think I've gone on my own. Shit, I'm on my own. Yes, you did. Nigga stole my name. My name is PewDiePie. What the fuck's this, no. Where is it? I can hear it. It's like really loud, but I can't. It's really loud, but I can't. Oh yeah, I remember. I think it's on the other. I think it's on the other side of the wall. Guys, I'm on the submarine base. Come to the submarine. Jody! Ah! He spawned right in front of me as soon as it said 1. That was kind of weird. Where are you guys? I'm in the jail cells. I'm by the pickle. Oh, he was behind us. He was like over there. It was kind of scary. Like it just said like 1 of 8, and then ding! Where are you, nigga? No offense to any black people out there. I got a really itchy leg. I think I got fleas. Like I've got fleas, not the cat.
That's probably why you think you're older than I could have your hair. You have a very big voice. Yeah. You have a very
Do you know what we should have said to that pickle? We should have gone, you're under arrest, pickle. You tickle my pickle. That's gonna be an intro. That's gonna be in the title of the video now. It's like a white noise online. Tickle my pickle. No. Hey, what? Probably. Oh, Jesus Christ, I forgot about this room, and I don't know if I like it. Guys, where are you? Hello, Bob. Hannah, come over here. There's like blood on this. Come over here. Hannah, there's some beautiful wellies you have there. You're wearing blue wellies. Okay, guys, this is the end of this episode.